attempt to make a Jamaican pineapple drink. Okay, so we've got our pineapples, and we've got the skin that came off the pineapples along with the core. And right here, we've got our juicer. So we're gonna juice these items right here. And then we're gonna put about a couple quarts of water and maybe 2 cups of sugar. I think the recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar. And we're gonna boil this. Put my juice together. And to save me from having to clean out the compost part of it, I always put like a bag or some kind of liner in there. So we're gonna start juicing now. Homemade Jamaican concoction. I'm trying to recreate it. I'm gonna use some 9.5 pH water. This is alkaline water, and I'm also gonna add some ginger. Ginger has some really great benefits, so yes, we're gonna add ginger to it. Okay, it's been boiling long enough for the sugar to dissolve, so we're gonna go ahead and strain this and finish the drink. I cut up 2 lemons and I'm squeezing it. These lemons, I'm trying to use some fruits and stuff before they go bad. I know this is a Jamaican drink, and I don't believe the video said put lemon in it, but I'm putting lemon in mine. Got that pineapple water and sugar. I'm gonna taste a little bit of it because I think it's supposed to be really sweet. And it is, with the lemon. This is the lemon, this is the pineapple juice. Stir this juice in. And I'm going to put the pulp and everything with it, because it's a little bit of pulp fruit from the pineapple. And then we're going to stir it up real good. And then I'm going to let AJ taste it and tell me what he thinks. Now, it's a little warm right now because of that boiling water. This is 2 pineapples, you guys. I juiced 2 pineapples to make this. And this is like a gallon, maybe a 2-gallon pitcher, I believe. So we're gonna taste it again. It looks good. Let me get another spoon. All right, time to taste. This is really good. If I toot my own horn, I'm just saying. So now I'm just gonna clean up everything, and then we'll come back for the taste test. Okay, guys, AJ is taste testing our Jamaican pineapple drink. He did put ice on it.
Tastes like pineapple Kool-Aid. That's good.
Pineapple Kool-Aid?
That tastes good.
I want wanted it to taste more like a pineapple, like.
I mean, the pineapple's all up through there. You know what I'm saying? And do
you taste some lemon and some ginger?
The ginger, I'm not how you used to do the ginger. It don't taste like that.
So it's not as strong.
Right.
Okay.
But I do taste a lot of pineapple, which is amazing.
And you didn't actually stir it up. I don't think you stirred it up. But so
then I just got the juice then.
Yeah.
I didn't get all the concentrate.
Okay.
So yeah.
Thank you for watching The Weekend Vlogger.